Latitudinal line. The east-west circle connecting the places found on the earth in the northern or southern hemisphere at a equal distance from equator are called latitudinal lines. Longitudes. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the earth are called longitudes. The longitudes meet each other at the poles. These lines come closer to each other while going towards poles. There are total 360 longitudes, among which 0 degree longitude and 180 degree longitude are important. Students, if any place on the surface of the earth is joined by a straight perpendicular line to the axis of the earth, the angle made by the line with the axis is called longitude of that place. The vertical imaginary line made by the places on the surface of the earth at angular distance with its axis is called longitude or semicircle. Liner circle. The north-south straight line connecting the imaginary surface of the original linear to the Earth's axis at the same angular distance along the Earth's surface is called linear circle or semicircle. Students, the continuous north-south line made by the places on the surface of the Earth at equal angular distance with its axis is called semicircle or linear circle. Activity. Draw a circle in your notebook showing 23.5 degree north and south latitude and write their names. Along with it, also show 0 degree latitude and its name. Students, 23.5 degree north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer and 23.5 degree south latitude is called Tropic of Capricorn. Notice that there is a horizontal line drawn in the center of the Earth's surface. It is equator. The equator divides Earth into two equal parts. The portion above equator is called northern hemisphere and the portion towards the south of equator is called southern hemisphere. Thus, latitudes in its north are called northern latitudes and those towards south are called southern latitudes. 23.5 degree north latitude in the northern hemisphere is called Tropic of Cancer, while 23.5 degree south latitude in the southern hemisphere is called Tropic of Capricorn. Similarly, 66.5 degree latitude in the north of equator is called Arctic Circle and 66.5 degree latitude in the south of equator is called Antarctic Circle. The speed of the sun between Tropic of Cancer in the north and Tropic of Capricorn in the south of equator is called solstice. Therefore, the circles between these are called solstice. It takes 6 months for this speed of the sun. Earth is tilted at the corner at 23.5 degree. Thus, sun rays fall almost straight between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Know it. In 23.5 degree, 23 is read as degree and 0 0.5 is read as minute. Students, the equator is the largest latitude situated on 0 degree latitude. It is an imaginary line dividing the globe into two equal halves. The area to the north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere and the area to the south of it is called the southern hemisphere. The northern latitude at 23.5 degree from equator is called the Tropic of Cancer and the southern latitude of 23.5 degree from the equator is called the Tropic of Capricorn. The northern latitude of 66.5 degree to the north of equator is called the Arctic Circle and the southern latitude of 66.5 degree to the south of equator is called the Antarctic Circle.